If you want a fire intro like this, then this video is for you. I will show you how to make this in less than 10 minutes. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to do is go up to your address bar, type in https://www.panzoid.com. The website will be linked in the description below. You'll hit enter. The next step is to click on the 9 little squares right here, and then you're going to select creations. There is a total of 2 ways that you can gain access to the Netflix intro. The first way is to click on top right here and scroll down until you see Netflix intro, which right here. The second way is to search using the magnifying glass. So click on this, type in Netflix intro, and then find one that was made by a verified account. Usually this means better quality. So they'll have like a check mark next to their name. They'll say verified. So here's one by Lucid that has a check mark and verified. Once you have found your Netflix intro, you're going to click on it. And then you're going to click on Open in Clipmaker. Once you're on this screen, click on Toggle Render Preview right here. And then click on Play to ensure that you want this particular Netflix intro. If you are positive that this intro is going to work for you, now we're going to dive into changing the lettering so it can match whatever you want it to be. On the far left, there's a set of tools. First, we're going to click on the square with a check mark in it. We are going to make sure that the video resolution is in 1080p or 1920 by 1080, which it is. Next, we're going to change the frame rate from 30 to 60. And then the length in seconds, it depends on the intro. Once we have completed this, now we're going to click on the 3D rectangle right here. You will want to change the 2 text boxes. This is your first text box. This is your second text box. The bottom text box is what pops out at you in the beginning. The top text box is what you see towards the end of the video. So we're going to change these. I'm going to just add my YouTube name, EliteOryx. So if we leave it like that, if you remember what I told you, the bottom is what pops out at you at the beginning. Let's go ahead and click play. So it pops out at you. And then the top one is when it lays flat on the page. So we're going to change that one as well. Make sure both text boxes are exactly the same. After you enter your text, make sure you hit enter as well. We're going to go ahead and click on play. Make sure this is what we want. Looks good to me, so we're going to process over to the next step. So now you're going to download the intro. So go back to the tools on the left, and you're going to click on download, which is right here. So you will see mode and then format. So we're going to change the mode to either good quality or extreme quality. The download process will take longer, but the quality will look better. So we're going to go to good quality, and then we're going to keep the format the same. So it's going to download as a MKV file. If you want to convert this file, the website below is what I use to convert my MKV files to MP4 files. Once we're done with that, guys, we're going to click on Start Video Render. So the video is starting the render process to be downloaded. Once done, we're going to click on download your video. So we're going to click on download your video. And it's going to download right here. Once it's done downloading, you're going to open up your files. You're going to go to download. You can go to download like this. Click on the recent download. There you go, guys. Your Netflix intro is completed. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day. Bless your hearts. And if you do decide to make this intro, let me know down below what you included in the text. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Bless your hearts and see ya.